Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to Bindee Vang Fishing. Today is a special day. It's me and King Tai fishing. We're out here fishing in Narnia, as y'all can see. It's one of the lakes here that is very beautiful in Minnesota that we only specifically have access to, and a few other special individuals. But other than that, as y'all can see, I'm getting launched here at the boat, and we're gonna go ahead and get fishing, boys. Let's get it. It's gonna be a good one too, so stay tuned, bros. It's King Tai fishing. Just got on the boat. Hey, say what's up to the camera, bro.
Yo, what up? He's about to go to work.
Go to work, man. Ooh, on the fall. Got a pike, boys. Dang, I forgot how catching fish on break is like.
Oh. Hold up. The pikes are...
Pike Nation.
Pikes are notorious out here.
Goodbye, Mr. Pike. We're gonna throw on the Jackal re-range here, so hopefully no pikes eat it all on the first cast, because that would be such a bummer, man. Pikes.
What's that thing, like $15?
It's up there, man.
Whoa.
Dinker! Hopefully this small dink bass, like all the other trips, means that there's gonna be more big bass, boys. Damn, this thing casts far as hell to DC.
I think that thing's got like a weight transfer on the,
yep.
on the body, right?
Yep, the Jackals. Well, any sort of high-end jerkbait. Is this fish or weeds? It's a fish!
The dink bill.
Dude, the jerkbait bite will always get a fish to bite, dude, regardless of season, dude.
That's the reaction on it.
It's the reaction, dude. You get the big ones, the small ones, anything to hit, dude.
Dude, have you tried jerkbaiting on a spinning rod before?
Yeah, I heard it's better.
Dude, it's like the best feeling ever. The rod just like, the real drag just screams.
I forgot how fun the jerkbait bite can be, dude.
Oh yeah, it's underrated.
Let's just do a weighted T-rig. We're doing like a 1/4 ounce here. Weighted T-rig. Berkeley pit balls. Dude, this Berkeley pit balls is hot. Is it just me, or did it seem like we caught bigger bass back then, or for us bigger bass back then was a different kind of species?
The one thing I was thinking about
Oh shit, spit it out, Pike, spit it out.
You saw it?
Yes, I saw him eat it.
Oh boy.
Oh god.
No. Why didn't you just reel in?
Dude.
No.
Guys, so basically, I'm just throwing this swim jig, and as you guys can see here, there's a good amount of edge to the shoreline here, and I'm just working it through. We're gonna try to find some active feeding bass. Pikes, of course, too, you know. They're not invited, but they come anyways.
Just some that I have lost.
So, a pike just took it. My Outcast swim jig.
Ooh, that sounds expensive.
Yes, sir. If you're watching this video right now, I am not in Minnesota, okay? I'm in Texas right now. Doing the Alabama rig. This might be too heavy for my medium heavy, bro. But we'll see what happens. Damn, this thing is heavy. That's Minnesota law saying no freaking Alabama rigs to me. Goodbye. That was like 20 bucks, dude.
Dude,
that thing just broke my line.
Was that like 16-pound line?
Yep. 16-pound FC Sniper. Bye-bye. Let's go, boys. Chris Zaldane, you inspired me to throw this bad boy. Mega Bass Mag Draft. Brand new one. If I lose this to a pike, boys, I'm gonna be a sad man. Most likely, it may happen. This lake is infested with pikes, my guy. Middle one. Yep. I won't eat them.
I don't want them.
I'll give it to my dad maybe if he wants it. Yes. First mag draft hit ever. I think it's... Wow, dude. It's a pike.
You jinxed yourself on that one.
Bro. Oh my gosh.
That just sounds really painful right now. You just lost.
I lost like $100 worth of gear already today. I'm just kidding, not $100, but like, it's getting there, bro.
Let it be known.
Is that a musk pike that was chasing it? Get that pike.
Oh yeah. That thing is pretty big, dude.
Dude, right in front of you. You gonna eat it or what, bro? Poke.
Tap it.
Nope, I didn't even pack it. Tap it at all. I'm not sure what that thing is, but it looked like some foot fish. There you go. First fish on the Jamaica boa. Almost to the other side. First bass in the Jamaica boa. Try to find a fish back here. Oh, hell no, right in the tree. Can you believe the Minnesota state record bass is caught off on a spinner buzzbait? Yep.
Okay, Trey, I got this.
There you go. Yep. Woo! Another bass. Jamaica boa. Some more. Oh, 2-pounder. Right up. Oh yeah. My big bass of the day, bro. Let's go. Oh! Bass? Yo, we are on them right now like crazy. Dude, that's a nice one. Bro, I bet it's the wind, dude. It's the wind pushing all these bait fish or whatever, and these fish are just getting fired up, dude. That's a good one. Guys, it is windy AF, but it is pushing a lot of these bait fish to to the shoreline. We're just casting and dragging our jigs on the bottom at a steep drop, and they're just smashing them. Damn! This is another one following it. Yep. Damn, son.
3 casts, 3 bass. Whoa.
Your GoPro's dead too.
No.
Damn! Dude, that looks like a big one. Oh, that's a bass, bro. Oh my god! Dude, check this out, camera.
Let's go.
Here.
Let's go.
Damn, bro.
No.
Looks like a big 4 or something. Damn, bro.
I know.
Look at that freaking tank.
Oh, he's got it good too.
Damn, bro. Dude, hold it still like that so I can move the camera around. Dude, check out that ginormous bass, bro. Freaking off the bass jig. We're just basically working this. The wind is blowing this way, and all these bait fish are being pushed up, and all these big bass are all just feasting, dude. It is freaking crazy. Big ass bass, dude. Woo!
Big one.
Mondo. It's a way 4 something.
Oh, 4.5 pounder.
What? Dude, that's another nice one. And with the net?
No.
What the hell? Dude, that's a nice one. That's like a 3 pounder. What the heck? There you go. Come on. Oh, dude, this is on fire right now, bro.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Up. Let's go, doubled up.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
doubled up.
Boom. Woo. I can never really identify my grass. Only the obvious ones.
Just gonna call them weeds.
Yep. Grass. Who's catching them in grass, bro?
I think they were just chilling this dark shit right here.
Must be something. I never realized how easy it is to just bow flip them, like just pull them in. Let's go, bro.
Like the 3 pounders and shit.
Yeah, just do log in, they just fly out. Let's go, bro. And the release. This should have fish right here for sure. It's a little corner. That's a
Good?
woo! Get him in the net, bro!
That's some nice fish, dog.
Yes, sir.
Yep, you're a 4 pounder right there. 3?
3 pounder. Let's go, bro. Woo! That's a nice bass, bro. Look at the way he ate the jig. Again, guys, the wind is blowing north. We're on the north side of the lake. And man, these fish are just in those areas. Y'all can see it's just like grass and stuff or whatever. These bass are just hiding in the grass. And they're just ambushing whatever comes in their way, you know. For example, we're throwing these jigs and they're smashing these jigs hard as hell. 17 inches. Goodbye, Mr. Bass. Oh! Here you go. Oh, I feel a hit. That's it. That's a bass, bro.
That's a big bass.
Woo! Almost. Woo! Let's go, boys. Terminator jig! I was just talking mad smack about this jig, but dude. Woo!
How big is that thing?
This thing? It's a nice bass, though. Oh, yeah. A nice one. 17.5. Nice bass. We're gonna go ahead and let her go.
Make that a new way you hold your fish. Upside down.
No,
hold
that's
it
too
by the
common now. Go ahead and let her go. Whee! Double. Ooh. Woo!
Uglier jigs.
Oh my God.
Ew.
Let's go. That bass had some sort of weird ass looking belly button. Alright guys, so it's about a midday now. So we're gonna go ahead and use the Tokyo rig here to punch through some super shallow stuff to see if there's any bass in there, okay? And the wind audio is gonna be crazy because no GoPro windshield is gonna protect from these crazy gusts. So let's get fishing again. Oh, there we go. Woo-hoo. First Tokyo bass of the year. Woo. All right, guys. We are wrapping up today. It was a freaking hot ass day. The bite was fired. It was pretty much just a round lake. We were going around, throwing jigs and stuff like that, working the deep weed lines. And today, the wind really helped us when the wind was blowing and the fish was biting like crazy. I mean, overall, I think it was a pretty good day, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're a returning subscriber, appreciate the love. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and we'll be fishing some more. See you guys. Peace out.